Do you want to know how you can get thousands of leads to your affiliate offers? Now, I'm super excited about this because this is a brand new method to get traffic. This method is for ladies only, but that doesn't mean you can't use your wife's, your girlfriend's, your mom's, your grandma's account, okay? So I'm super excited to show you this brand new way to get traffic. Now, some of you may know what Facebook organic marketing is, okay? Now, let me walk you through it. This has been one of my staples of how to get really fast traffic, okay? I mean, YouTube is great, Instagram is cool, but this is one of the fastest ways to get traffic. And let me show you why. Now, this is my personal Facebook. So I can make a post just like you see right here, and I get people to comment, right? Now, you've probably seen this before, but I'm gonna show you a really cool method that's gonna totally blow your mind, okay? Now, you'll see certain posts that I do, right? So if I go down like this one right here, okay? So like I can make a post like, hey, I created this training. Do you want it? Say, I want in, right? And you see hundreds and hundreds of comments, right? Some 4, 5, 600,000 comments, right? It really depends. Some of you may be asking, well, if I make a post, I may not get a lot of comments, a lot of traffic. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can literally get like instant traffic today. Now you understand, okay, this is, we utilize our organic profile to drive traffic. Okay, now another thing that's super beneficial about this is you're able to message people, right? So for example, if someone goes and comments on one of my posts, I could go in here and message them back, right? So for example, I could be like, hey, I just sent you a DM, and then you can start a conversation with them, okay? We teach this inside Freedom Accelerator. We're not going to go into that now, okay? But let me show you how you can get like very, very fast traffic, okay? I'm just going to show you, and then I'm going to show you the strategy in just a second, okay? So this is my wife's account, okay? Now there's a group with over almost 1 million people in this group. Okay. Now here's the crazy thing. What if you can post inside of this group to any offer that you'd like? Almost 1 million members in this group, all wanting to learn how to make money, how to start entrepreneurship. So let me show you how you can post inside of this group. Okay. Now, again, this is for women only. I personally know the owner of this group. I've personally done a training in here. You'll see I did a 2-hour webinar to all the ladies in this group. Okay. So I personally know the owner. Her name is Christina Rowe. That's her right here. Now, again, this is ladies only, can only be inside of this group. Okay. Now I'm in here with my wife's account. This is her account. Okay. Now I'm going to show you some crazy stats in just a little bit. Okay. So I'm going to show you some of the posts that we've done in this group. Okay. So we've been doing this for a few months here. Okay. And some of them get a lot of traffic and some, don't get as much. Look at this right here. I'm looking for women experts who want to get in front of 20,000 people, blah, blah, blah. Okay. 913 comments. Okay. Now my wife posted this inside of this group. Here's another one, right? See, this one didn't do as good, right? 11 comments. Some do good, some don't, and that's okay, right? I'm going to show you the ones. Look at this one. We made $20,000 last month making silent 5-second videos. I have a free course explaining the process. Okay. Who wants it? Now, some of you may be going through my Funnel Freedom program. You are giving away the free course, right? So for example, you guys may know Becca Duncan, right? So let me show you her example here. So she has the free course through Funnel Freedom, right? So this is the exact same free course that you can give out as your own, right? So if I go back over here, right, you can do the same thing, right? So if you're giving away the free course to build your email list, literally you can have 500 emails like that overnight. Okay. Now, if you're really good, you can get in the DMs and you can close some high ticket sales. That's what we do. Okay. But I want to show you the potential of this, right? Look at that. Okay. There's one post. Here's another one here. You can see 371 comments. I have a free course showing you how, right? It's a lead magnet. It's the same thing that we do on YouTube or Instagram. All we're doing is saying, hey, we have this free thing. We have some results. Boom. Who wants it, right? But what's cool is you're leveraging the power of this group, okay? Say mind blown if this is something that will change how you get traffic, right? And you can still do everything that we teach, right? This is just exploding that. My main goal in my business, and I want to show you this, is I always want to get people to my YouTube videos. If I get people to my YouTube videos, I get people to my email list, and then they buy the products that I have to sell. That's the beauty of this group. Okay, so I'm going to go back over here. You can see people are posting in this group, right? And again, some do good and some don't. And that's all because, well, one, you got to learn copywriting. But my suggestion, right, if you want to do good inside of this group, one, you could look at the posts we're making, right? You can see right here, the ones that are already working, these are the type of posts, right? So like this right here. For the most part, we do pretty good. Here's a post we did when we were promoting Secrets of Success, right? Russell Brunson's program, right? It's cool because we can go and pretty much promote anything we want to almost 1 million women, right? And not just random women. I mean, these are women that are there to learn entrepreneurship. You have a group of almost 1 million people wanting these offers, right? Now, a lot of these women don't know what to do as far as like, you know, should they do affiliate marketing? Should they do crypto? They have no idea. They're just there. And that's what you're there to do, is to teach them. Now, I want to show you what I would do if I were you. Okay. I'm going to show you my strategy, because obviously you can tell that it's working, right? We're getting hundreds and hundreds of comments, right? 300 comments here, 147 comments here, right? 371 comments here, all the way to, you know, some don't do as good, and that's okay, all the way to 913 comments, right? I want to walk you through the process. Number one, okay, before you even join this group and start posting, you need to fix your profile. So before you do that, because before people even comment, they want to know who you are. You want to look legit, right? So one is go and create a banner. You can go and create it on Canva or go hire someone on Fiverr, okay? That's the first thing. And then tell them exactly how you can help them XYZ, right? Right here, my wife's account, helping mamas retire their husbands and create a 6-figure passive business. And then of course we have a lead magnet. Now guys, if you've gone through any of my trainings, Freedom Accelerator, 72-hour challenge, I teach all this. Now when they click on this banner, you'll see that this goes to the free course, right? This is the free course that we give away, right? So I click on this, simply the free course that you get if you're using the Funnel Freedom system. If you're using something else, that you just want to give away a lead magnet. So that's number one, is you want to fix your Facebook profile. So number one, fix the banner. Number two, fix the intro here. I just say free course on how to leave your 9-to-5. And then of course I have the link to the free course. And then I also have the link here. So that's the first thing. Step one is to fix your Facebook profile, okay? Step two, and this is assuming, guys, this is assuming you already have my Funnel Freedom system. You already have a funnel, okay? You already have an offer. Number two is you want to join the group. You can join the group for free. So it's just called Women Helping Women Entrepreneurs. The group is free to join, but if you want to start posting, you do have to pay a monthly membership, okay? Now, let me show you how to join that just so you can get access to that. To be able to post in a group of over 1 million people is just insane, okay? So let me show you the link here. So this is the link right here. Let me pull out a notepad so you can see it. So number two is you need to join the group, right? Join group. And this is the link right here. So it's just bit.ly/freedom ladies, okay? This will give you access to the group. I'm sorry, the group is free, but this is to join to start posting, right? So you can go and post. Obviously, not everyone can go and post. This is an exclusive offer. If we go to this link right here, I'm going to show you how much it is, okay? So if we go here, Standout Online Membership Program, Christina Rose, she's the owner of the group, okay? You can go live every single week. You can post inside the group. You can post once a week, okay? So you can see all the things you can and can't do here, okay? But what's cool is you can go live every single week, okay? If you're a little bit more advanced, definitely use that. Promotional posts, right? You can post a promo once a week. That's basically what we do here, right? We post every single week, right? Every single week we're posting because that literally gets us traffic. As far as the group here, just so you know, this is what you can and can't do. But basically right here, you're paying $197 a month. I will say the first few weeks, you got to start posting and being active in the group. So that would be, so step two again would be to join this, right? Join this membership program, okay? Again, to get access to that link, it's going to be the bit.ly/freedom ladies, okay? Once you get approved to start posting, right? As you can see, we can post every single week. They'll make you basically a group expert inside the group. Step number three is you got to warm up the Facebook group. So this is what I would do, okay? Once you join the group, start adding people in this group, start commenting, right? I would go in here and tell exactly what you do, right? I help people quit their job. So you can start going inside of here and you want to start engaging, because what happens with Facebook, you got to understand the algorithm, right? If you post inside this group the first time, most likely you're not going to get any traction. And that's okay, because that's what happened with us. It took us about 2 or 3 weeks to really get some traction. Okay. So to really spice that up, you really want to go inside of here and spend an hour and just literally go through and talk to people and comment, join people's lives, because what happens is you're going to start, Facebook's going to like that, right? Facebook's going to see like, oh, this person's engaging, right? And they like that a lot, right? So you want to get this top contributor thing, right? All that is it shows that you contribute inside of the group. That's a tip that no one's really going to teach you. It's a Facebook algorithm thing. Okay. So that's step number 3 is you want to, before you even post, I would spend like a week just commenting, adding people, right? Start building up that Facebook pixel, right? That's super, super important. Okay. Go inside of here. And that's literally, we spent a whole week just commenting and adding people and DMing people, right? And that's like really, really important, okay? So step number 4, once you do that, is make your first post, right? Now the posts that work really well, you can search the group, right? So if I go to the group here and you search, for example, Alicia Candelaria, you can see my wife's account here. You can see the type of posts that work and don't work, right? You can model that. You can model that for yourself, right? So what's cool is you can go and model what we're doing, my wife's doing, or you can just see what everyone else is doing, right? So if I scroll down, this one did okay from this lady went live, like I said, some do good, some don't. And you got to follow the tips that I'm talking about. Okay. So if we scroll down, let me see here, some get ridiculous comments. I've seen some with like thousands and thousands. This one had 30 comments, 29 here. I mean, you got to start building that up, right? And that's the kind of the beauty. Let me show you. Okay. So once you do your first post, okay, that's step number 4. Step number 5 is, this is where we really make our money. Okay. So like, for example, here, this one right here. Okay. So this one did really good. We got like 500 comments. Now what most ladies will do, or most people, is they'll just go and send them the link. That's okay. You can do that. We're very aggressive. Okay. What we like to do is you want to add these people, want to add every single person you can. This is your target audience, guys. So I would go and add every single woman inside. If they raise their hand and they're curious to what you're offering, you want them to watch what you're doing, right? Because what we're doing now is we're building that long-term Facebook list, right? If we go, for example, if you go to my account here, I mean, you'll see that I get, I have 15,000 followers, thousands of friends. That's why when I make a post on my account, for example, here, right, I get 300 comments, 500 comments, 300 comments here, another 125. Like I always have a high engagement. And that's because I take the time. And if people are literally going inside of here and they're commenting, I'm going to add them as a friend, right? You can see we've already added, this lady as a friend, like all these people, right? So that's step number 1 when you make a post, is add them as a friend. Okay. First thing to do. Step number 2, I would say, hey, I sent you a DM. Did you get my DM? Okay. You can send them the link to the free course, or you can take the extra step and say, hey, I sent you a DM. Now, why would you do that? Because now you could get in the DM and start talking to them about the offer that you have. Now, most people are not going to do that. Most people are going to be lazy and they're just going to send them the link. Okay. Literally, guys, we continue to be aggressive, right? Because when you send the link, it's just like, okay, cool. They'll go look at the link. Maybe they'll buy, maybe not. But if you add them as a friend and then you comment, hey, I just sent you a DM to explain everything. Now you can voice message them. You can write them. You can really help them on their path, right? And that's the big thing right there. If you can take that extra step, even if it's 5 people who comment, right? You don't need a lot of people. If you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people commenting, but you spend the time with those 5 people, you can close the high ticket sale. And we teach how to do that in Freedom Accelerator. We show you how you can use DM marketing to close a sale. Okay. This right here is going to get you the traffic very quickly. Okay. So once you do that, right? Once you go ahead and add all these people, you say you ask them to reply in the DMs, and then in the DMs, you go ahead and say, hey, here's the link to the free course. And then by the way, what made you reach out? What made you want this free course? And that's when you can start the conversation, right? That's it, right? And you can make this as simple, as hard as you want, but I'm giving you a super important tip, right? If you can take that extra step, instead of going over here and just saying, hey, here's the link to the free course, I would add them as a friend. Number 1. 2, I would say, I sent you a DM, and 3, I would DM them with the link, but then start a conversation with them, okay? Super important. This is going to be a game changer for those who actually take the next step, okay? This is literally a game changer. If you can go and post in this group to almost 1 million members, that's going to be a game changer for you, okay? That's it. That's all I have for you. There's the link to join the group so you can start posting. So it's bit.ly/freedom ladies. This will get you access to this group for, again, $197 a month. Give it a few weeks because, again, you have to go engage in the group. Go talk to people. Don't be lazy about it. Like, seriously, if you take that and you do what I'm telling you, I promise you will see success. Trust me, it's worth it. If you know what you're doing, just follow what we're doing, okay? Inside the group. Again, you could join the group for free and you could literally go search Alicia Candelaria and you can see exactly what type of posts we're posting inside of here. And you could just see what we're doing. Yeah, I hope this was helpful. I believe it's a game changer, very, very untapped in the affiliate niche. I hope this was helpful. Definitely check it out, take action with it. We'll leave a link down below in the YouTube description as well. Hope that's a game changer. I know it was for us. Just another arsenal, another way to get more traffic to your offers. All right, have a great day and God bless.